How to make a website on Weebly. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to get started with Weebly and how to create a website. So let's get started. Simply go to weebly.com and you'll get right here. Now you have to log into your Weebly account. You can sign up very easily with your email address. Once you do, you have to click on create your website. Now, this is the option you will get if you want to create a website or an online store. So I'm going to select website. And then you have to select a theme. There are a lot of themes available on Weebly. And if you're going for business, then you'll get this. If you want to create a blog, you can explore different blog themes and it will show you right here. So I have a business. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to business right here and select this theme. Just click on the theme and it will give you a preview, and then you can click on start editing. It will open up the editor for you and we have to select a domain name. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to name my business. There you go. And we can just search for the domain or we can set up the domain later. So this will open up your editor for you, and now it's really easy to use Weebly. You will get build, pages, theme, apps, settings, and help right here. And when it comes to adding different sections to your website, you can add text and image, gallery, videos, dividers, social bars, products, and categories as well. It's a simple drag and drop that you can add to your website. And if I want to add anything, I will just simply drag and drop it right here on my website and it will be added. So yeah guys, this is how you can create a website on Weebly. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.